You are invited to discover a unique geographical area, rich in heritage, beauty, natural resources, and promise for the future. Welcome to the Bounty of Ulster. This glorious region is rich in fertile land and abundant rivers, and so the region throbs with opportunity. Located at the center of the northeast quadrant of the United States in New York's heartland, Ulster is completely connected globally, nationally, and regionally. Only 90 miles from New York City, 200 miles from Boston and the sea lanes of the Atlantic Ocean, just 260 miles from Montreal and the Canadian marketplace, and 300 miles from Washington, D.C., Buffalo, and the Midwestern states. The Ulster region is famous for its clean air, fresh water, safe communities, free-flowing traffic, and majestic natural landscapes that make it the ideal place to live, work, and raise families. Ulster provides the perfect ingredients for the full scope of industries, including emerging technologies, hydroelectricity, agriculture, tourism, and recreation. No area better reflects the evolution of America than the history of the Ulster region. Numerous Native American Indian tribes made the Ulster area their home long before the first white settlers arrived. Initially settled by the Dutch, English, and French, the Ulster region welcomed settlements along the historic Hudson River, offering strategic military outposts and ample food and timber supplies. Because of its strategic location at the center of the northeastern United States, the Ulster region has been the site of many critical military actions, including the French and Indian Wars and the Revolutionary War. Over time, the Ulster region evolved into a microcosm of a new nation. Today, Ulster's demographics still reflect great ethnic diversity. The spirit of adventure and the drive for self-realization are still part of the historical landscape of the area. Entrepreneurial drive, creativity, and innovation form the bedrock of economic growth in the Ulster area. The Ulster region has become a focal point for economic development in the northeast sector of the United States. Virtually every industry is represented here. This natural wonderland is a haven for expanding technology and manufacturing clusters. With the growing demand for green technologies, the Ulster region is well positioned to attract and nurture businesses in this vibrant sector of the economy. The many benefits of doing business here include government tax incentives, energy cost rebates, discounts on residential and commercial property, shovel-ready construction project sites, and a legion of specialists to assist in every step of the process. Several governmental organizations actively participate in helping Ulster area businesses succeed, including Ulster's Chamber of Commerce, the Industrial Development Agency, the Ulster Planning Board, and the statewide network of small business development centers. Spectacular, untouched natural landscapes and countless recreational opportunities have given rise to an ever-growing tourism industry. Annually, more than 3 million people are drawn to the Ulster region for skiing, hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, rock climbing, and more. Agriculture continues to play a fundamental role in the Ulster economy, thanks to the rich, fertile soil and the naturally abundant water supply. As in a spider's web, Ulster's transportation infrastructure is essentially a network of networks. The Ulster region is committed to long-range transit planning that supports quality of life and protects the environment. Company owners and operators soon learn that they have a fully developed transportation infrastructure of roads, rails, waterways, and airports at their disposal. Commuters, tourists, and residents are provided with uncomplicated connections to local, metropolitan, and worldwide transportation networks. The New York State Thruway, along with a series of interstate highways and county roads, easily accommodates passenger cars and business truckers. This network of roads also makes for easy travel from the Ulster region to points throughout the Northeast and beyond. Amtrak's Adirondack Passenger Rail Line connects New York City to western New York State, and Montreal, Quebec, running daily through the Ulster area. The Metro North Line is the second largest commuter railroad in the United States, providing simple travel between New York City and 120 stations throughout the state. With the expansion and modernization of Newburgh-Stewart Airport, residents and business people coming here from other states and from around the world can utilize Stewart Airport to land in the heart of the Ulster area. On the easternmost edge of the Ulster region flows the famous Hudson River, This north to south waterway welcomes a constant flow of leisure boaters and accommodates the shipping needs of countless businesses wanting to move goods throughout the Northeast and beyond. Learn as if to live forever. Live as if to die tomorrow. The Ulster region is home to a network of public and private educational institutions unrivaled by any in the world. Ulster has established academic partnerships that support and encourage the highest standards of lifelong learning on all educational levels. Nearly 40 colleges and universities are located here. The State University of New York campuses in Stone Ridge, Kingston, and New Paltz offer a variety of curricula leading to college degrees. New York State ranks first in degrees awarded in material sciences, computer sciences, and medical sciences, second for degrees in electrical engineering, mathematics, and biological sciences, and third in civil and mechanical engineering. A school-to-work partnership that links the classroom with the workplace offers both students and businesses the benefits of apprenticeships and internships. Ulster BOCES offers excellent vocational training, specializing in workforce and skills development. The Orange Ulster Warehouse and Distribution Training Center provides the skilled worker training needed to support the goals of the new ultra-modern warehousing and distribution business sectors. The citizens, business people, and officials of the region proudly invite the global community to discover Ulster, its magnificent terrain, bountiful natural resources, and the resourcefulness of its business people make Ulster an ideal place for building long-term, mutually beneficial associations.